Hey folks, Kelbob here, and I'm coming to you tonight from Columbia, South Carolina. I'm at the state capitol building here in downtown Columbia. It's a great story. Columbia was actually the second capital of the state of South Carolina, just 100 miles west of the original capital, which is Charleston, South Carolina, where the harbor is. This was established as the second planned state capital community in 1786. Right behind Savannah, Georgia, which was the first planned state capital. Great history here. This building actually, they began construction on it in 1855. Construction was halted in 1865 when Uncle Billy himself, William Tecumseh Sherman, came through and burned Columbia to the ground. But today it's a great tradition. The weather's warm. I'm finally someplace warm. It's 60 degrees out, and the azaleas are blooming. The mossy oaks are starting to come in, and the dogwoods are blooming. Get a shot down there of the azaleas. Look how gorgeous those azaleas are down there. So it's a fantastic little park seated right below the state capitol building. Plenty of good bars and restaurants and great places to eat. I think I'm gonna have some seafood tonight. Well, that's about it from Columbia. Kelbob out.